You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase and this the first name that you can see on your screen. Mainly, if you want to learn more names from Greek mythology and history of Rome, stay tuned. It's pronounced, I've got more videos for you, Laocoön. Laocoön. So, Laocoön and his sons is how you say it. Laocoön and his sons. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.